Welcome to CAD Station. Today we are going to make these steps of disk that you can see in this sketch. That's our another task one. We have tasks. So basically we have to make one disk, 2, 3 and 4 disk that is connected by some sort of shafts, and there is dimensions that how big we have to make the disk, and that's the height of our disk, and in the end we have to cut these holes on the second one disk. So let's start our sketch. Take a new part, and all sketch is going to be done on top plane today. So top plane, the first one is a circle that is drawn from the origin, and its dimension should be the first one is 300 these 5 means diameter, so we have to maintain its dia as 300 mm. And okay, features, extrude boss base, we have to extrude up to 20 mm. Okay, you can see 20 mm. This one is 10. Now next disk is 260, but you can see here we have a gap over here that we have to make. So select this one, sketch, make a hole, not a hole, sorry, make a circle of control 8 of 20 mm. No, it's little bit smaller, 30 mm. Okay, it's good. You can see here it is good, 20 mm, 30 mm, and we are going to extrude it up to control 7. First click here, control 7, 20 mm. Yeah, okay, 20 mm. Now you can see we have done with this one and this one. Now we have to make a circle of 260 dia. Now select this face, sketch, control 8 if you want, if not then it's up to you, control 7. Make a hole of from origin, make a hole that is of from a smart dimension, maintain as 260 mm. It's 260, yeah, it's 260, and we have to extrude, look, it is 10 mm. So this time we have to extrude 10 mm. Okay, and yes. Okay, one more thing we can do is this one, this is going to be till here, then we take it 20, this one is 10, 20, 10, 30, 30 to 50, 50, 10, 60, 70, 80. Let extrude it up to 80. You can extrude it, but it will produce some errors, so let's not make it. Extrude, sketch. Now here is another thing that you can learn. It's you select this sketch, that is the, let me show you, control 8, this circle that we made. Now if I want click on this extrude boss base, it will take me to here. No, extrude boss base. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's going on. So features, and this is 20 plus 10 plus 20, 50. It's going to be 50 mm. Okay, now this time again select this one, sketch. Now we have to make a circle. You can make, again I am saying, like this, or you can press control 8. Now this time we have a 200 mm dia and same 10 mm. 200 mm dia, it's 200. Okay, control S7. We have to extrude similarly 10 mm. Okay, we have done with these 3 steps. first, second, third. Now final is 120 dia, and again we have to extrude this. So not this one, sketch, extrude boss base. We are going to 60 plus 70, 80, 90. Now this time 80 mm, and okay. The other option is same. You can select this face, make a circle of this size and extrude it up to 20 mm. Everything will take it to you at that step. So select this face, sketch. Now this time from circle, make a circle, and this one is 120 mm dia, smart dimension. This one is 120 mm diameter. Okay, features, control 7, extrude boss base 10 mm, and okay. Now our sketch is ready, but let me show you from front. It's done like this, but we have a problem. We have to cut these holes here. So this is the second sketch, control 8. Now select circle, from origin make a circle, and from here for construction ticket, smart dimension. This one is of 75 mm radius. So smart dimension, this is of 75 by 2 because we are mentioning the diameter. Now take circle, from the, you can see these 4 points, you can select any one, and smart dimension. This is of 20 mm dia, this is of 20 mm dia. Okay, now you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 2 4 5 6 7 8. We have 7 holes. So from here, linear sketch pattern, drop down, circular sketch pattern, parameters, select this one, and here we have the option 8. We want 8 holes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, here check it, it's equal spacing. Okay, now simply go to features, control 7. Now extrude cut, and you can see it's cutting the hole, or if you want you can increase, so not that too much. Now you can see it's cutting the whole disc. Okay, control 7, or first top view, you can see it's done. It's looking like this, or if I press control 7 for isometric view, then it's look like this. You can change the color of all steps. I am selecting this one, and this one. I had pressed the control key, so come to this appearance. I'm going to make it of this. Okay, and now the upper disc I'm going to select from here, extrude. Let make it of okay, red, boss extrude. This one is, let make it to yellow. Okay, I'm going to make it colorful. Now next is this extrude 3, appearance, and this one orange. Okay, now next one, the first one, this one, and orange. Okay, green, that's a good combination, green. And in the last, again my mind changed to change this as dark black. I think that will look good. Front, control 7. Okay, you can see our disk pattern of disk is written. Hopefully you will learn how to create this all. That's all for today. At the end, don't forget to subscribe Carriage Station and share to your friends.